Hello, my name is Paul Yateman and I'm the Independent Chair of the Gloucestershire Safeguarding Adults Board. This is a message for the Gloucestershire Voices area action groups about what the safeguarding team do and how you can report a safeguarding issue. Later on in this video, my colleagues from the Disability Quality Assurance team are going to tell you about what their team does so you understand the difference between the two.
My name is Jess Padjack and I'm from the Disability Quality Assurance team. Lorna, who is also from the Disability Quality Assurance team, will explain a bit more about our team to you in a few minutes. But first of all, here's some background to why we're making this video. Last December, the Gloucestershire Voices Area Action Group sent us a report about issues faced by people with learning disabilities in Gloucestershire. In the report, people told us about problems they sometimes had. These included problems with their support workers, problems with their care and support, and times when they felt scared or at risk of harm. It was clear to us that when people had worries like this, they needed someone to report them. They also needed to know what would happen when they reported them.
I'm going to tell you about how you can report a safeguarding issue. A safeguarding issue is when you think you are at risk of harm and you need some help. It's important to understand the difference between being at risk of harm and being in danger. If you're in danger and you need help right away, then you need to phone the police on 999. But if you don't need help from the police but want to report that you are at risk of harm, you can phone the safeguarding team. Some examples of being at risk of harm could be that you're being bullied, you're not being helped to take your medication at the right time, or you're being left alone on your own when you need help. If you are experiencing this, then you can phone the safeguarding team. Our number is 01452 426 868. You can find this number on one side of the keyring, which we have been giving out to everyone who would like one. You can phone yourself, or if you prefer, you can get someone to phone on your behalf, like a family member, a support worker or friend. When you report the issue, the safeguarding team will take your details and ask you some questions about what has happened, for instance. They will then tell you what they're going to do about it so that the right person is able to make contact with you and give you the help that is required.
I'm Lorna Bethune from the Disability Quality Assurance team. We want to make sure that you're getting a good service from your provider. We visit where you live to check on this. If this isn't happening, we work with the provider to make the care and support better, and then we come back and check that this has happened. We work with all kinds of support providers. These include residential care homes, supported living providers, agencies, day centres and assessment and treatment units. We're working hard to add even more types of services to our list. We work with the providers that support people with learning disabilities, with physical disabilities and with mental health issues. You can phone our team if you want to report a problem with your provider. Examples of problems you might be having could be your support staff not turning up on time. They might not be trained in the right way to support you, or they might not be supporting you to achieve your goals and your plans. The number to phone to report a quality issue is 01452 328463. You can remember this number by looking at the other side of the keyring. When you report a problem to the Quality Helpline, we will ask you some questions so we understand what the issues are. Then usually the best thing to do is come and visit you where you live and check that the care and support is good enough. If it's not good enough, we'll help the provider to be better at the support they're giving. We work in such a way that the provider won't know who has raised the issue.
The really important thing is to remember that both of our teams will listen to what you say and do something about the problem. Don't worry if you get the numbers muddled up, as we can always pass you over to the right person. If you phone us outside of 9 till 5,